I've been in Dubai properties over 15 years, and when you have seen thousands of townhouses, you quickly tell the difference. Now, this rear townhouse is properly built in detail. Starting from the outside, the parking is fully aluminum covered, and it is not afterthought decision, it is well decided decision for the longer durability. So this townhouse sits on 1,728 square feet of a plot with a built-up area of 1,920 square feet. Because it's a single row unit, the privacy is immediately noticeable. The moment you step inside the house, you feel like European designer has opened their retail store for you. The entire ground floor is finished in large format Italian marble that gives a seamless flow and a luxurious feel. From the socket to the chandelier, you can notice how thoughtfully this house is designed. This house has got its own life and a very luxury living. The kitchen is extended with the extra space which can be used as a pantry or a maid room with the SMEG appliances. And the most beautiful part about this kitchen is you got two European design doors which can be used as a closed kitchen when you have a guest around. Because it is a single row, the backyard gives you a lush green plants and a 10-year-old olive tree with real privacy. You have got custom built wooden pergola with the mature landscaping. The staircase is completely redone using Brazilian marble, which is paired with the glass rail, which helps the light to pass through the space, keep the area quietly clean and contemporary. All bedroom feature upgraded wardrobe well beyond the developer finishing. Every surface in this villa has been touched, walls, lighting, flooring, rebuilt essentially from shell and co. The townhouse is currently rented, offering immediate income. There is an option to buy this townhouse fully furnished. Given the kind of finishing done, it absolutely makes sense. Home like this don't come often, especially single row, and given the standard of finishing. If you understand quality and detail finishes of a townhouse, I am very sure you will understand this townhouse.